Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up facial recognition on HP OMEN Transcend 14. To do it, you can go to the settings, since it's available on this laptop. So go to settings, accounts, and then go to sign-in options. Now go to facial recognition, and you can click on setup. Now, as you click on get started, look straight into your camera for a moment until it goes to the next step. But before that, I need to enter my PIN first. And now I'm set, so I can close it, and whenever I want, I can just simply unlock it with facial recognition. And also, if you have any glasses or if you have long hair, then it's also great to improve recognition and make your hair put up or put on or take off the glasses, so it'll work with it as well and recognize you in different looks. So improved recognition will just redo the facial recognition again, but with a different look of yours. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.